So, it was a rough start to December for Wall Street as the market stumbled out of the gate into negative territory. Joining us now, CNN's Maribel Aber from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Good morning to you, Maribel.
Hey, good morning, Chesley.
How are we looking for the start of day 2 for the month?
It's looking better, Chesley. I mean, stocks being boosted by big tech and Bitcoin gains as markets begin to recover from yesterday's lackluster start to the month. Traders are now looking toward next week's Federal Reserve meeting with the expectation interest rates will see another cut to close out the year. Investors are also watching how holiday spending holds up since strong consumer demand could keep inflation pressures in the mix. And with December trading volumes running light, even these modest moves in tech and crypto are having an outsized impact on the broader market. And speaking of, I'm seeing now a mixed board here at NASDAQ. Up. Now at NASDAQ, we're up about 190. The Dow unchanged, as you see there, and the S&P up 22 points.
I like it when you say up. I like that. I like the sound of up. Got a showdown that could rewrite who pays at the checkout. Talk to us about this Costco suing the government issue.
Well, wholesale giant Costco suing the Trump administration for a full refund of new tariffs it paid this year. The suit filed Friday seeks to stop tariffs from continuing to be assessed while the Supreme Court case is underway. Costco says it risks losing the money it has already paid to cover the tariffs, even if it's ruled President Trump did not have the authority to impose the duties. A looming December 15th deadline could rule out refunds despite any ruling from the high court. The wholesaler joins dozens of other companies that have filed similar lawsuits. So it's wait and see, Chesley.
We will be waiting and seeing. All right. Is this true? Are we getting a break at the pumps? Is gas back under $3?
Drivers. Yeah, they're getting some relief at the pump, Chesley. The average price of gas is now below $3 per gallon. It's the lowest level in more than 4 years, Chesley, and the drop in price is due to strong refinery output, lower crude oil prices, and softer seasonal demand. Prices have fallen in all 50 states, which is rare, and in some states, including Oklahoma, Colorado, and Texas, drivers are even seeing gas dip below $2 per gallon. Now, Atlanta, gas is about $2.85 per gallon, according to AAA, just a few cents more than the Georgia average of $2.81, Chesley.
Wow. Okay, like that. More good news. All right, so the holiday sales frenzy is officially rolling, and looks like spending is off to a heavy start.
It is. Americans are spending in force this holiday season, Chesley, but are getting less for their money. Black Friday online shopping was up 3% this year, largely driven by a 7% jump in average selling price, according to Salesforce. Here's the thing. Order volume, which measures how much was purchased in a certain time frame, that actually fell 1% compared to Black Friday 2024, sending the average transaction size down 2%. Cyber Monday sales were projected to hit $13.4 billion in the U.S., up 4% from last year. Overall, prices during Cyber Week have risen 7% on average, higher than the 5% jump last year. Tariffs likely played a role in part since rising costs are hitting popular categories like toys, like clothes, and electronics. As consumers turned more cautious heading into the holiday season, retailers rolled out deeper discounts to entice shoppers. They got me, Chesley. Toilet paper on Cyber Monday was on sale.
Wow. I missed that one.
You did.
Yeah.
And this would have been the gift during COVID times.
Yes. It would have, man, just in case we go back into a pandemic or something. Thanks a lot, Maribel. Really appreciate it.
I got you.
All right, take care.
You got it.